everyone, welcome to my channel. This is road trip, part of Germany, from Hamburg, and then we pass by here in countryside. My husband chose it here because it's quiet and you can see the farm here, and also houses. And after this one you can see a lot of big houses also where we pass by, where we are on the highway. But this one, it's quiet, you cannot see so much car here, so my husband choose it. So it's nice also to see part of Germany, because when we going to Berlin, all we can see is a big a lot of trees, and then we are in the highway. But this one, it is in the countryside, so nice. It is peaceful, quiet, and it's a long travel, but it's memorable because it is only once in a lifetime that you do like this road trip, because Germany is a big country. So this is after Hamburg, we go here because we are planning to go to Poland also. So I just want to show you this place, the Germany and the countryside, how it is the countryside and living in a big city. Big city is nice, but if we choose in the highway, all you can see there is a lot of trucks and big trees. Here it's different, very nice here, quiet. And as you can see also, we are approaching with a lot of houses. Here we pass by houses here. So enjoy watching till we pass by big houses, because Germany is big compared to Netherlands. Netherlands is a small country. You can travel only maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, and in Germany that it's very big, so it takes time before you can come here. You have to choose which you can also see the houses, different kind of houses in Germany. So they have a big farm also here, and also plain. So far it's nice really to live in the countryside and in the city.
big stones.
Nice. Uy, may pagigis na car. Like a hollow block.
No,
It's really a stone.
solid stone.
Where we go there? Yeah. magpark sa mi kay tan-aw na mo sa Google asa na mi kay nawala na mi.
This is also a city?
Dili naman ni mao nga dalan among giagian kay dito man mi nag-agi sa countryside. So
Small city.
amo sang tan-awon sa Google. And then ay dayon padayon na pod og travel. Mao ni siya ang Germany, part of Germany. I don't know unsa ni siya nga lugar. But this is part of Germany. So it's nice also to see places like this when you do a road trip than you do a plane, because plane is only short time and then you cannot see the place really, but in the road trip you can see places, the nature, the city, the houses, the places. So it's nice also to experience it like this, because I'm not sure that I can do this again next time. I think not anymore. So it is only once in a lifetime, I think. So it's nice also to show these places to you, those who are not yet here in Germany. Yeah, because this is it. This is Germany. All we know in my younger age, all I know is Germany is known during war. So and now I'm here in Germany. So enjoy watching, because we continue now doing a road trip, because we are planning to go to Poland. So I show this video to you so that you can see also part of Germany and the type of houses, the buildings also. So very nice.
Well, closer, quiet here. Yeah, windy.
Like Sunday.
Yeah.
People in the house or roaming around. Huh?
Yeah, resting or do nothing.